Hello, I'm Michelle Amante, Director of the Massachusetts Department of Unemployment Assistance, known as DUA. Although the Massachusetts economy has steadily improved, many individuals continue to need the temporary assistance provided by the Massachusetts Unemployment Insurance Program. We know that losing your job or having your hours cut back can be very stressful. That's why we hope to make the process of applying for unemployment benefits more convenient for you. There are two ways to apply for benefits. You can use our new, secure UI Online system, or call DUA Teleclaim Center and talk with a claims agent. Today we want to walk you through the high-level process of applying online, answer any questions you may have, and direct you to job search resources to help you find a job. DUA has put together this video to help you with your initial request for unemployment benefits using UI Online. Now let me introduce you to Cheryl, who will take you through the initial claim process in UI Online.
Thanks, Michelle. Now I will take you through how to enter your unemployment information into the UI Online system. But first, let's see how UI Online organizes information. The system is divided into 5 sections to make it easier for you to enter your information. The progress bar will indicate where you are in the application. The circle will indicate the section you are on now. There will be a progress bar at the top of every UI Online page. Before you begin your application, you will need the following information: your Social Security number and birth date. If you are not a U.S. citizen, your alien registration number, your mailing address, your phone number, your email address. You will also need your employment history for the last 15 months, including the business name, business address, reason or reasons you are no longer working for the employer, start and end dates for all employment. If you have had multiple employers, you must provide this information for each of them. You should also have the following information ready if it applies to you: Social Security numbers and birth dates for dependents, union name, DD-214 for military personnel, SF-8 for former federal employees. There are 2 payment methods for receiving your unemployment benefits: direct deposit and debit card. Through direct deposit, your weekly benefits will be automatically deposited into your checking or savings account. If you choose direct deposit, you will need to enter your bank account information and your bank routing number during the application process, so be sure to have them ready. If you do not sign up for direct deposit, you will be mailed a debit card, which you can use to access your benefits. No bank account is required. Once you have pulled together all of your required information and accessed UI Online through the mass.gov website, enter your Social Security number twice on the sign-in screen and then hit Next. Now let's begin entering your unemployment claim with Section 1 as shown in the progress bar. This screen gives you some information on getting started. Just a reminder, you must always use the previous or next buttons as you move through the site. Do not use your back button because it will take you out of the site and you will need to log in again. In UI Online, anytime you see some information in the blue underline, it is a hyperlink. You can click on it for additional information. The links listed on this page will give you some answers to questions you may have on unemployment. The first screen is the Data Privacy Authorization screen. You cannot continue your claim unless you agree with this authorization. On the next screen, you will find important information about your claim. The effective date for a claim is always the Sunday of the week you are filing. If you didn't work during the week you are filing, enter 0 in hours worked. If you had reduced hours, enter those hours. You cannot ask for unemployment benefits if you worked your normal hours in the week you are filing. Enter the amount of hours in your normal work week. This page asks questions about your employment. Where you worked is important in the processing of your unemployment claim. Please make sure that you select the correct employment location. Answer all questions that are marked with a red asterisk. We are almost finished in the initial questions section. By entering your personal information next, Social Security number, birth date, gender, name, the UI Online system can validate your information. During this process, you will be asked to create a password for your UI Online account and a security question. When choosing your security question, click on the down arrow in that box to have the system display the choices. You must pick one from the list. Please make sure that you keep your password and security question in a safe place because you will need it for other unemployment activities and to access the UI Online system again. Once your claim is submitted, you will also be assigned a claimant ID, which you should also keep in a secure and handy place. We are now moving to Section 2, General Information. Here you will be asked to enter your mailing address, your phone number so we can call you if you have any questions, your correspondence preference, select electronic, which is email or US mail. Providing your email address allows us to contact you faster. If you would like to receive correspondence in a language other than English, you must choose the US mail option. Enter the job title of your most current employment and click on the search button. You will be presented with a list of occupations which match the title you entered. Select one. Also indicate how many years you have been doing this type of work. Unemployment is considered taxable income. UI Online asks you to select the withholding you want for your unemployment payments. There are two methods of payment if you are approved for benefits. Number one, debit card, or number two, direct deposit. This page asks you to select your payment method. If you choose direct deposit, please have your bank account number and routing code. Now we come to your employment history page. Your previous employer should be listed here. Click on Update and a new page will be displayed. Complete the information requested. If your previous employer is not listed, select Employment Type and click Add. A new page will be displayed where you can search for your previous employer by name, tax ID, or location. Depending on your reason for separation, we might need to ask you some more questions which can be completed online. It is important that you provide the correct reason for separation from your previous job, as this information will be verified by your previous employer. The last step before you submit your claim is an opportunity to review and modify any of your answers if needed. Your claim is not submitted until you complete the Identity Verification section. Make sure that you understand what is required of you when requesting and claiming weekly unemployment benefits to avoid potential fraudulent situations. Confirm that you have answered all the questions fully and truthfully by checking the box. Enter your Social Security number one more time to verify your identity. Click on Submit the Unemployment Benefit Application box. You are finished with the application process. Once you've submitted an application, you should expect a response within 3 weeks. Do not wait for a response on your application to begin requesting benefit payments. Other steps you must take are: read the Guide to Benefits and Employment Services, attend a Career Center seminar, look for work each week. You must also register at a one-stop career center. A variety of services is available to help you become re-employed, such as job search assistance, career planning, workshops, and tools to help you conduct an effective work search. Be sure to check out JobQuest for current job listings. If you have any questions or need help when entering your unemployment claim, you can speak to a call center representative at 877-626-6800 from area codes 351-413-508-774 and 978. 617-626-6800 from any other area code.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope it's been helpful. If you have any questions, please visit the DUA website at www.mass.gov/DUA.